Hello, Mark Rollins from the Geek Church here, and we are back in the studio after about a month of hiatus. Now, the title of this vid should probably be, should you buy the Oculus Quest 2? And I'm going to spoiler alert this and say, yes, you should. These things have been flying off the shelf these days. I'm not going to really do an unboxing because, well, as you can see, I've already unboxed it, but I will show you some interesting things about this. Once you put this on, you find yourself blind, utterly blind. You are in another world now. But here, you can see a window, and now I am in this virtual world. And it is pretty darn amazing. Right now I'm in a ski lift where I'm looking at a mountaintop, all sorts of great stuff. This is why you should get this thing, just so you can see. This is something you just have to see. So even if I were to make a video of this in 2D and show you it, it is really not enough. There's a YouTube VR thing that will give you awesome virtual reality videos. And since I was out of commission for about 2 weeks due to COVID-19, this was something I needed. I needed to watch videos that would make me feel like I was outside. I want to talk about this great app that I discovered for about $14.99 called Puzzling Places. This is some sort of temple, I believe, in Greece that I'm doing now, and it's in a puzzle, and I'm taking the pieces and I'm arranging them. It's $14.99. It's great. A lot of the apps here are really cheap. You can find them for, the most expensive I found was about $39.99. That's a lot cheaper than a PS5 or an Xbox game. By the way, this thing charges via USB-C cable. These things are battery powered. I believe it takes one AA each, and I've been using this for about 2 weeks. And they have 3 dots on them, which means they're 75% power drained. Get some rechargeables if you want to do that. There's also ways you can communicate via Facebook to friends. And honestly, I love the interface of this. See how my fingers are triggered on them? The middle finger trigger has this, and the index finger has this. Plus, with your thumbs, you can manipulate these joysticks as well as these buttons. I will have to say, after an hour of use, I was beginning to feel what I call an eye headache, because it feels like something is pressing on your eyes, like this. And it kind of, well, because it physically is. It's like, it's like putting like a rubber band with something on your face. That's how that works. If you were going for, like, say, family video gaming things, really only one member can use this at any given time. And you've seen me with the action of watching. Imagine watching that for quite a while. You might have to come up with some sort of, I don't know, chore program or sharing program with this in your own home. I'm gonna highly recommend you buy yourself an Oculus Quest 2, even if you don't have COVID-19, even if you want to get out more, honestly, this is a way to do it. It expands your world. I found this one, which is a, I believe, 128 gigabyte model. It's available for about $2.99. If you want to get the 256 gigabyte model, you're going to need to spend a little extra for $3.99. I'm just going to enjoy myself here, especially playing a game of now Beat Saber. So, okay, all right, yeah. So, okay, I'm going to go to the beat of the music. Going to just kind of do this here. Yeah, like you think I got some extra space. But anyway, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.